Hello, my name is Mateo and today I'm going to give you an explanation about difference of will and be going to and present my future plans. Firstly, how we use a will we use to spread predictions, promise or something we will do in the future. Be going to we use to express decisions or future plans. In the structure of will, in the affirmative is subject plus will plus base form of verb. And examples are Michael will travel to Ambato for a competition. We will go to the Yunguilla for a year-end walk. In negative is subject plus will plus not plus verb in base form. And examples are I will not travel to Machala for a concert and Santi will not work with Pablo. In interrogative is will, subject and verb in base form. And examples are will you train tomorrow and will you go to travel to California. And the structure in be going to are affirmative, pronouns going to, and verb in base form or infinitive without to. Examples are I'm going to visit a doctor tomorrow, they are going to practice in a competition. In a negative is pronouns plus not plus going to plus verb in base form or infinitive without to. And examples are I'm not going to visit my grandmother, I'm not going to walk to school, it's raining. In the interrogative is a pronoun going to and verb in base form. An example, are you going to beach in vacations and is he going to play a soccer game this Sunday? And my future plans is in a few days I will finish my 10th grade school year and I will go to the career always I wanted, electricity. And so after studying my 3 years in the high school, I will go to the university to continue my career.